Welcome back to ClearTask. Today I am going to show you exactly how to insert a fully clickable checkbox in Microsoft Word. Let's get straight to it. First, we need to enable a hidden menu called the Developer tab. If you already see the Developer tab at the top of your screen, you can skip this step. If not, go to the top left corner and click File, then select Options at the very bottom. In the Word Options window, click Customize ribbon on the left panel. On the right side, scroll down, check the box next to Developer, and click OK. Now that your Developer tab is active, place your cursor wherever you want your checkbox to appear. Click the Developer tab, look for the Control section, and click the Checkbox Content Control icon. You now have a clickable checkbox. However, by default, clicking it puts an X inside the box, and it might have a border you don't want. Let's make it look completely professional. Make sure your checkbox is selected, then click Properties up in the Developer tab. First, find the Show As drop-down menu and change it to None. This removes the bounding box outline. Next, go down to Checked Symbol and click Change. Change the font to Wingdings 2. Scroll down until you see the standard checkmark style you prefer. Select it and click OK twice. And that's it. You now have a clean, clickable checkbox. You can highlight it, copy it, and paste it anywhere else in your document. If this quick guide saved you time, please like the video and subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.